Hi, so in this video I would like to show you how to create a channel strip like in Logic in Pro Tools. By channel strip I mean like one track that has your favorite plugins inside of it and you can recall it in any track. So there's a very easy hack. Basically all you have to do is you go to your application folder and Avid, Pro Tools, and you want to create this folder in here that says track preset. So you want to make sure that you write it exactly like that. And inside of it, it's up to you. Like on mine, I just wrote like audio and instrument, and that's it. That's the hack. So I created like a shortcut of it, like on my Finder, so that I can always like go back to it very quickly. And now we're gonna open Pro Tools. So I'm sorry, in here like I have an issue with my plugin not showing because I'm on the El Capitan, but here we go. I'm gonna put anything, doesn't really matter. Okay, so you tweak it the way you want, right? Now let's say you want to recall this particular setup in any other session. What you want to do is like File, Save as Template, then Location for Template, and here we go. We're going to go to my favorite track preset in here. I'm going to go to an audio and call it Test. And now if I delete this track, and I want to recall it like any other time, all I have to do is like track new, and you see like in the bottom now I have a new setup like didn't exist before. So I'm gonna go audio, test, create, and you see it remember the plugins with you basically like your favorite setup. So the cool trick about doing this is that sometimes like I use Blue Cat audio patchwork a lot because I load like some plugins that were never made like for Pro Tools, either in RTAS or AX. Like there's some synths like Gladiator and other stuff that only works in audio unit or VST. So instead of every time having to open Blue Cat and that particular plugin, you know, it's easier to recall like that. So like I'll do a simple test. So we're gonna go track new. I'm going to open an instrument track, and I'm going to open Blue Cat in here. I usually only put one column, one row. So I'm going to load Gladiator. Okay, so instead of every time having to do Blue Cat, Gladiator, like so, you're going to go again, Save as Template, Location for Template. I'm going to save it under instrument this time. Call it Gladiator. Press save. And here we go. I'm going to delete this track. And next time I want to reopen Gladiator, all I have to do is like track new, go all the way in the bottom in here. You see I have Gladiator already set. And boom, it's here. See, when I click on it, it'll open like automatically. So that's a really cool setup. Now, if you want to do this in Pro Tools 11 or Pro Tools 12, the track preset that you have to create will be in a different folder. This time we're going to go to Applications, Pro Tools. So you'll have either Pro Tools 11 or Pro Tools 12. And you right click on the application, Show Package Content, Content, Shared Support, Factory Content, and you want to create your track preset inside of this. So we go new folder. Remember the capital letter is very important for both track and preset. And that's it. And inside of this, again, you create whatever you want, like audio track or instrument track or bus. It's your choice. And that's about it. So now like when you're going to open Pro Tools or Pro Tools 11, you're going to save as a template inside of this folder. So the trick is to actually create a shortcut of it, like, and to put it here. It's easier to save to it that way. So I'm going to put it right on the other one. This way I know that the first one would be 10 and the second one would be either 11 or 12. And yes, when you start saving inside of this folder, the only difference is that with Pro Tools and 11 and 12, you're gonna have to restart Pro Tools after you save all your templates. If not, they won't show. But after you restart, it will show exactly the same way as I showed you in Pro Tools 10. Enjoy! If you like my videos, please subscribe. I will show you a lot of cool new tricks. Thank you. Bye-bye.